Want to practice mindfulness every day? There's a simple and easy to remember technique called SNACK, S-N-A-C-K, that will move you and enable you to quickly move into a calm, focused state. I got this from Lifehack, and here's how it works. Stop. S stands for just stop what you're doing. N is notice. Pay close attention to what is happening within you and around you. A stands for accept. Acknowledge without judgment the things you're struggling with. And C is for curious. Ask yourself questions like, what am I feeling? What do I need right now? And K is for kindness. Respond to yourself and others with kindness and understanding. Try this out the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, and I guarantee it will help you stay grounded, at ease, and in control of your life. So stay aware, stay alert, and stay awake. You're more powerful than you think. Set mind to purpose. I'm Dr. Ken from Attract Freedom. Have a good one.